My name is Sivarama Krishnan. I am the Chief Growth Officer of my company, Decarbonization. We are a Dubai headquartered company started with the purpose of providing digital decarbonization using artificial intelligence for hard to abate sectors. When I say hard to abate sectors, these are the sectors that cover cement, iron and steel, other minerals and metals, oil and gas, power generation using fossil fuels, energy transition vector sectors, as well as carbon capture. So, since it is a digital decarbonization business that we are in, we have created a unique data science enabled software platform by name SustainOS, which provides not just reports and maybe the hygiene capabilities of the software is expecting today. It also provide very innovative alerts and notifications on areas that are leaking the emissions, and it will use digital twins to provide what if analysis if for alternate fuels, alternate energy sources, and alternate raw materials also. So we do both open loop and closed loop optimization based on the need and the feasibility of doing for a given customer. And we're looking forward to expand our base through this event here. So far, the footfall has been good, and another 1.5 days to go. So we want to cash in as much as possible. So I have my colleague, Mr. KV Srinivasan, who is our cement and minerals expert for sustainability, and I have Mr. Kumara Raja, who is our product lead